The Siberian hitch knot is a knot used to link a rope to an object. It's a very common knot because it's very useful during the cold times, because it has a quick release that we can use when we have gloves on, so we can untie the knot very fast. To make this knot, we have to take a rope, put in the object, in this case a carabiner. We take a little bit of rope. With the left hand we take the rope like this, the bight, and we turn, and we put the running hand, this part of the rope, over like this. We pass it around our hand like this, very good, and then we pass the running hand over the bight like this. We turn around, and then we make a little bight with the running hand like this, and we put it into this ring from above. For tie the knot, we have to pull a little bit the standing part, like this, but we have to be very careful not to put outside this part. So we pull, and then the knot is done. When we pull the standing part, the knot closes itself, but it's very easy to untie it.